Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my plan with me for the week of July 15th through the 21st. In my planner, I am using the Lavender Dreams collection, and I love this kit. I love the colors in it. I'm a really big fan. I feel like I've learned of kits that are kind of like all one color or like kind of like similar colors. I feel like the like spreads look so I just ran up the stairs. So cohesive and beautiful, especially with the silver. It totally pops, and I'm just in love. This kit is still in the shop. If you did not purchase it, I recommend buying it because I feel like it's a great anytime kit and it's just beautiful. The colors in person are just life-changing. I could just cry about this kit. It's so beautiful. Anyways, so for this week, I was in Hawaii for the first couple of days, and then the last days I was actually mostly just chilling with Bennett because Nick was in San Francisco from some of his friends from high school, which was really cool for him to be able to do. So it was a really good week for the both of us, but I definitely towards the end was very much so missing him because I actually like sat down and looked at my calendar, and we had been together. I think it was like the day that he got home, we had been together 8 days out of the entire month, which is just wild because we were both like kind of flip-flopping not being home. So I'm just putting together my spread as per usual. I'm doing the bougie boxes. I love bougie boxes. They're the silver ones. I'm super excited. Just to be always using bougie boxes. I just think that this planner, having bougie boxes every single week, is just going to like come together as like the most beautiful, most perfect planner in the whole entire world. I thought last year me doing like white space was like the most perfect thing, but honestly, this is like super life changing. So again, as same as my last video, this will be a completely sped through plan with me. I'm not going to be doing the sped through beginning and then the talk through end, just because like I said, I was kind of like all over the place in my thoughts, and then also my nails are going to be super whack, and you guys will see that if you didn't see it in my last video. Right now they're actually cute because they actually look really good with the spread, the purple ones, but the like 5 color ones, it's not a look. I have a broken one, like one's completely off. It's just not cute. So I wanted to speed it up so you don't have to look at it as much. And I apologize because I feel like my nails should kind of be on point if I'm making videos. It just should be professional and cute looking, you know what I mean? Not like all janky. It's not a look. So for my overlays, I did use a lot of Sadie's stickers. Full box overlays, and then I just put the little twinkle dots, the deco dots from our shop all over the place just because I really liked the look of it. As far as like the character stickers, you guys will notice that I decided to pull mostly purple ones, purple or neutral. If I didn't have one that was purple, I tried to pick a foil icon or something that was, like I said, pretty neutral. So when it comes to Monday, I had breakfast at Lahiki, which I mentioned last week. I feel like I had breakfast there every day because when I went to Hawaii last time, it was probably my like highlight of the trip was eating breakfast there. So I wanted to like abuse it, and I cannot wait to go back to specifically get breakfast there just because it was so good. And I'm not the type of person who normally eats at the same place many times in a trip just because I'm not like I don't want to waste a meal when I could be trying something new and different. I don't live that way at home. I only live that way on vacations. So if I go to something more than once, especially in one trip, that means a lot. But if I go to something like, one trip and then next year I go to it again, that's just like, I liked it. But if I go multiple times in one trip, that means I loved it. Like I loved it. It was like the greatest thing I ever had. It might be a little exaggerating, but it's fine. Then we took pictures at the beach. Kane actually left in between breakfast and pictures at the beach. He did not stay as long as me and Marg did, but we missed him. He left. We made fun of him for it, and that was that. So we took pictures at the beach, and we just kind of hung out at the beach. Time just flies when you're just like chillaxing. I was like, designing and writing things, and Marg was like drawing, and it was just a good time. Then I took a nap. Actually, Marg and I both took a nap, and we both woke up feeling like poop. But we went to the character dinner. We did do a character breakfast, I think, on Sunday, but we wanted to do a character dinner because they had different characters, and we just figured we would try that out. I don't think personally that Disney food when it comes to like buffets is really like something to call home about, but it was the experience of the character dinner that we wanted. So we had a good experience. And then afterwards, we went up to the Alani gift shop, and they had just released a bunch of new items that day. So we got these awesome ears. Marg and I were literally freaking out. Like, I had already checked out and I saw them and I was like, I need these in my life now. Then we watched The Bachelorette, which we watched it like live on TV. And it was the episode where Luke is just like the worst ever. And we were just like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We also watched a lot of X on the Beach this night, and I think Revenge Body, or maybe we watched Revenge. No, I think we watched Revenge Body this night, or maybe it was the next night because I did Mark TV binge, and then I took a bath. The next day, I did design a lot more before Marg woke up, and then whenever she woke up, we went to breakfast, and then we just went to the pool for hours and just chill out. And it was super, super fun. Then I planned a lot, and then we just relaxed some more, and then we watched a bunch of TV while we both worked on our computers. AKA, this is Shade at Mark. I worked on my computer, and she just like flip-flopped between like 7 projects and just started them. And I'm going to send her this and timestamp it because she doesn't watch my videos, I don't think. I'm pretty sure she doesn't. And I'm going to be like, Mark, this is where I called you out. But Mark is she's just so cute. She's just like always snacking on something, always looking adorable, and she's like one of my faves. Then I put in on Wednesday that I couldn't sleep. I have this like irrational feeling of like missing flights. I've never missed a flight before, but I was worried about it, so I couldn't sleep. I was waking up like every half an hour, so I ended up just leaving like the hotel like way early just because I was like, I'm up, I might as well go, and then I can work at the airport. I didn't want to wake Marg up. And then so I got my Uber, and then I went on my flight, and it was a good flight. I got a lot done. The last hour though of it, it's like I think like 8 or 9 hours total. The last hour of it, I was like not able to concentrate on work though. I was just like, ugh. So I think I watched the beginning of a movie that I probably should finish sometime, so I don't forget. I think it was like Dear Simon or Love Simon, and it was pretty cute. I just didn't get to finish it, so I'm going to for sure finish that next time I have a minute. And then Amanda picked me up from the airport, which thank you, Amanda. I put thank you, Amanda, in my planner because I'm just so thankful. And then whenever I got home, it was super, super late, so I did cuddle Nick. I also put in that this day I did buy Baby Shark tickets, but I actually bought Baby Shark tickets the next day, but I also bought Post Malone tickets that day, so I decided to separate it a little, and I didn't have a lot going on Wednesday, and I had a lot going on Thursday. On Thursday, I went to snooze with the boys. I just really like missed family, quality time. I like canceled so many things the last like couple of days. This is the 25th when I'm filming this. I canceled like a lot of stuff just because honestly, like I haven't had a lot of time because then Nick left the next day. So like the past couple of days, I've just been canceling things left and right because like I want to be home. I want to do stuff with my boys. I don't care like what I just want to do stuff with them. I miss them so much. I'm so used to spending like every second of every day with them, and I honestly like just missed it. Like when I work, I like to work when Bennett's sleeping. So normally I sleep like 5 hours a night, and then I like to sleep whenever I like to work whenever Bennett takes a nap. So I like being with my boys. Then on Thursday, we went to Target, and then I also went to work and did some odds and ends things. And then I unpacked, which is wild because normally it takes me like a month to unpack, and then designed, and then did listings, and then I bought Post Malone tickets, and I am so excited to see Post Malone. I'm going to see him in Madison Square Garden. They had one in San Antonio, but I would have probably went by myself, which I wouldn't have loved, especially the drive. I'd rather fly than drive. And Jessica is going to go see him with me, and then I'm going to fly with Jessica because it's after Bennett's birthday, so I'm super hyped. Then on Friday, I had Starbucks and Holy Bagel. Oh, no, Nick left this weekend. I feel like I did the same thing last week. Did I do the same exact thing? Yeah, it's in the same exact spot. Huh. Then I did my new releases, and then I was feeling super overwhelmed. So I think Emily watched Bennett, and then Nick and I went to Firehouse and to Target. I don't know. I think I needed like a reset for a second because I had so much to do. And I was really hungry, so went to Firehouse. Then I thought there was something else that we had to do, but I don't remember. I don't know. Then I filmed, and then I had some planning time, and I watched Jane the Virgin while I worked. Then on Saturday, Nick left for San Francisco in the morning, really early in the morning. And Bennett and I slept in till like 10 a.m., which is just super wild. And then I did have to do some design work. So Bennett played and I designed. And then we had Wendy's for lunch, which I believe Emily dropped that off for us. So thanks, Emily. You're the best. I think so. Or maybe no. I think I went for that. I'm not sure. Then I put in playtime with Bennett because we just played pretty much all day. After he went to sleep, I did plan a little, and then I put in Bubba Cuddles for the evening because I had a little bit more space. On Sunday, I put that we slept in again. If we're just like in a real cuddly mood and we just sleep in. And then that day and the day before, we did watch Spider-Man, the Into the Spider-Verse. I believe that's what it was called. One, Bennett really liked it. I think he liked the like shifting of scenes, the colors, and then the music kind of kept him interested. So he was watching that. We didn't ever watch it like the whole way through. Like, I don't really know what happens. But we watched it kind of like on and off all day. And then I put in bath with Bennett. Actually, it was a shower, but I used like a bath sticker. Bennett loves showers now, which I think is so fun. It's so convenient because it's way easier than giving him a bath is to give him a shower. And he washes his body himself now. And I just think that's the cutest thing in the whole world. Like, he washes his hair. And I'm just like, you're so big. You're so grown. And then after that, we had Shake Shack, which Emily picked. Emily for sure picked that one up for me. So thank you, Emily. You're the best. She was at work and I was like, you want to bring me food? Because if you have a toddler, like getting them in, I mean, I could have cooked obviously, but I didn't order groceries because I was just being lazy. But getting the kid in the car, driving there, getting them out of the car, going in, trying to carry everything out, putting them back in the car, and like they hate the whole thing. So Emily, real MVP. She is my favorite because I hate Favor. Favor has done me so dirty in the past year. Then I put in Bubba Cuddles, Playtime with Bennett, which I, for some reason for Playtime with Bennett, I put a sleep sticker. Not sure why, but okay. And then I put in Bujo, which I'm not going to really get into, but I have been bullet journaling for like organizational list purposes. But I'm probably not going to do like a video on that. I know anytime I mention any other type of planner, people want me to do videos. But any other type of planner I use is like specifically for work things. And I don't feel like it's super applicable to like a ton of people because of like how I plan my work day is like real weird. But I don't know. I don't want it to become like a thing that I have to do or like you know what I mean? Like, I want it to just be like organizational, doesn't have to look pretty, no pressure, because that will let me keep doing it. I love doing these videos because this is like, I don't know, it's like my scrapbook pretty much, and I like love everything about it, and everything's beautiful. The sidebar, I put 2 weeks till the planner party, 3 weeks till Disney, and final days in Hawaii. Honestly, just had those stickers left over, didn't know where I was supposed to put them, and put them in the sidebar. I think I messed up with that sticker on Sunday. So that's everything for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. The next video will also be a speed through because my nails are still looking whack. Honestly, next week's video, like, I'm looking at it because I put down the base. One of my favorite spreads, didn't expect it to be, and it was kind of last minute that was one of my favorites because of like an idea I had, and I honestly think it looks so amazingly beautiful. That video will hopefully be up next Friday. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this plan with me, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!